In this video, I'm going to show you how to place a futures order in NinjaTrader. So there's actually a few ways to do this. I'm going to show you all of the most common ones. Now, the very first thing you have to do is decide if you want to be trading on your chart using this chart trader over here, or simply if you want to go to new and then do a basic entry or order ticket. Okay, so these are the options you have. So if you go and use the chart, let me show you first how to do this. Now you have to go and click on the new and then of course chart. And then from instrument, you want to go and select whichever future you want to trade. So if I go to single stock futures and I select, for example, this one, I'm going to click on it. And then here you can do some properties if you wanna and hit the OK button. That's going to open up the chart just like this. Now I don't actually have the subscription, so that's why it's not showing. But in your case, it's actually going to show the chart. In my case over here, I do have the chart already. So I'm just actually going to go to down here and I'm going to click on this one. And there we go, it's going to pop up that specific future. From here, you can then go to the top, click on this button to actually enable the chart trader by clicking over here, and then you can see your chart trader on the right. If you want to place a futures order, you can then go and just select the instrument, TIF, and your account you want to use. I'm going to go with this simulator account, and then the order quantity, and an ATM strategy if you want to use any, and then you can just go and buy or sell market, ask or bid over here. I'm going to go buy market, confirm
Order
this.
filled.
There we go, you've heard in the back it said order filled, and that's essentially how to place a futures order, okay? You can then find it here inside positions up top in your control center just like this, and yeah, you can manage your position over here, okay, by right clicking, and you can see you have the option to basically flatten it, close it, whatever. Now that's of course the first way to do this, but the second one is also you could open up Market Analyzer by clicking new and then here Market Analyzer, and you can set up your own analyzer by right clicking and adding instruments, and you can add on different futures on here, and of course you'll be able to then track them just like I can down here at the bottom right. And as you can see, there's a bunch of futures. I can just click on them and they're going to populate my chart. And of course, I'll then be able to trade them from here. But if you want to use your order ticket, you could go to new top left and click on either basic entry, which looks like this, or of course the order ticket, which looks like this. So if you want to use this basic order entry, you can then just go down here and select your instrument. So I'm actually going to go with, let's do this one over here. You can then select what type of order you want to do. So I'm going to go market. And then of course here you can select the other things as well, like account and then the ATM strategy. And if you want to do a limit order or a stop order, you can set these numbers down here. Then you can go and again buy or sell, whatever you want to do. Confirm it, and there we go, your order is going to get filled. If you want to use the order ticket, it's the same thing. You can just find your instrument. I'm going to go with this one now. And then from here, of course, it's going to allow you to type in the account, the quantity, etc. And then you can go and buy or sell, okay? I'm actually going to switch this right now to something else. There we go. I'm going to hit the buy button, confirm it,
Order filled.
and there we go. It filled my order. Okay, so those are all the ways to place futures orders in NinjaTrader. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.